Morning, friends, and welcome to another easy science experiment. I have my assistant over here trying to help, so she might get into the way a little bit, but we'll see. This experiment, you just need a few things. You need some kind of a dish or shallow container that will hold some water. Right here, I have thank you, Soka. I have a plate with some water in it that I have put just a drop of food coloring in so you can see the water. You're also going to need a candle. So she's knocking everything down. So this is where we're going to have some caution. You need to make sure that you have parental help or supervision because obviously we're working with fire here, and that's something that can be very dangerous. So you need a candle, a small candle, because you're going to need a container or a glass that's bigger than it, because we're actually going to take this and we're going to put it over the candle. And in order to do that, it needs to obviously be bigger. So fire needs three things to burn. It needs heat, it needs fuel, and it needs oxygen. What we're going to be doing with this experiment is we're going to take away one of those things. If I put this cup over the candle, which one of those three things do you think I'm going to be taking away? If you think about it, we're going to be taking away the oxygen, because what happens is the fire is consuming oxygen. If I take away its ability to get more oxygen from the air around it, it's going to go out. And that's what's going to happen in this experiment. Now, when that happens for us, we're actually going to be creating a vacuum inside this cup, because it's going to be down to the, face down into the water. That water is going to create a seal. All the oxygen is going to be removed from inside this, and that is what a vacuum is. So we're going to be creating a vacuum, and we're going to get to see something really cool that's going to happen as a result of that. So are you guys ready? This is going to be really neat. So this is one of my favorite experiments. It's so easy to do, but it's really, really neat. And it really does a great job of showing not only that fire needs those three things, what happens when we take one of those things away. It also, it leads into more discussion about, what is a vacuum and all that kind of stuff. So it's got a lot of science in it, but it's so simple that we can do even though we're young. So here we go. We have our candle, and it's just sitting on my dinner plate, and I have my green water all around it. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my glass, and I'm just going to set it right over the candle. You want to be careful. You don't want to burn yourself. I didn't put my hand anywhere near the flame. And now I'm just going to watch what happened. My fire went out. We predicted that because fire needs oxygen. But what is happening now? What is happening down here at the bottom of our glass? Because we created a vacuum in here, the water is actually getting sucked into the glass with the candle. Now listen when I remove it. You're going to hear the vacuum seal break. You ready? And stay safe during this time of self isolation. And I hope you're all doing well. I miss you, and have a great day. Bye.